Hello viewer, welcome to your channel. 16 hidden things rich people do that the poor don't. Money, it's very important for our healthy living and happiness. When any emergency situations is coming, that time we are feel important of money. Most of the people don't know use money properly or not serious about financial future. Yes, financial future, that means they are earn money but spend all money not saving or invest money for become financially strong in future. They are don't try to learn about money management or don't try to learn new skills, just consider they're poor and they're not became rich in future. And that's the reason rich growing richer and poor still poor. If you watching video fully, then maybe you are getting some very valuable and hidden things, those things rich people do but poor people don't. In this video I try to share with you 16 hidden points why rich growing richer and poor still poor. Maybe this video some lengthy, but it's help you for changing your financial thinking and help you become financially strong. Before start this video, you can subscribe this channel and press the bell icon if you not subscribed, and share this video if you like so, and please comments which 5 points we are should maintain for growing rich. So let's start. Number 1, poor people don't care their health, but rich people do. Rich people know important their health and important their money. Rich people choose healthy and natural food, avoid all types of artificial food. They're doing exercise regularly, they're doing regular health checkup. Let's say you having difficult disease like cancer. If you check up regularly, then discover early stage, also making his treatment possible as lower cost. Other hand, if you neglect, it's discovered too late and that time both is seafaring you and your family. That time not matter how much money you have, that time you lost your money and all things might be you lost your life. Number 2, rich people like to reading books or watching knowledgeable and educational videos for devolve knowledge, like to learn new skills, always try to learn something for growing more or use those ideas to work and become a more financially strong. But poor people like to watching TV or like to doing gossip. It's just waste time, not any help for growth. Rich people watching TV for enjoyment or for learn something, not like to watching just for wasting time, and that why rich growing richer and poor still poor. Number 3, poor people like to gambling and lost their all money, not focus saving and investing. When come any emergency situations or problems, they have no money in that time. But rich people know very well why save money and invest money important in life. When any problems come in future, rich people always ready or peppers for that situation or time. That's why poor see the dream but not achieve in reality, and rich also see the dreams and achieve on reality. Number 4, rich people have big dream. And that's why they're doing always business, because all rich people are businessmen or self-made. But poor mentality is looking always security, there have boundaries. And that's reason poor still poor and rich growing richer. So for become rich, break the boundaries, gain skills and knowledge and try to become a self-made. Number 5, poor people believe on talking, rich believe on working and achieve on reality. Poor people think we already know everything, but rich always ready for learning and growing. Rich people like to talk minimum, they're like to listening more, like to asking questions, like to reading books, like to learn new skills, like to watching knowledgeable and educational videos. They're always hungry for learning, growth and betterment. That's why poor still poor and rich growing richer. Number 6, poor people wait for luck or someone help. Rich make their luck. Rich have action mentality. Rich people know their success depend on themselves. Rich people know their all dreams achieve themselves. They say my success depend on up to me and make happen. Number 7, rich people know important of time and that why they have plans. They are know what happening after 10 years, 5 years, or this year, this month, or this week, even today. Also all big companies, millionaire, billionaire know what to do in future and what is coming in future, what happening in future. They make to-do list, but poor people don't know because they're not having any plans, and for that they're waste their valuable time. That's the reason poor still poor and rich growing richer. Number 8, rich don't show they're wealthy. People poor try to show up they're rich, but on reality is not poor, buying some unnecessary items, buying extra clothes or products, spend all money and again work not saving money, and that's why their work still end of the life. But rich not like buying unnecessary items, they're like to save money and invest money for growing more richer in future. Example, if you buy iPhone today, invest $1,500 after 5 years, this is not any value. But if you invest $1,500 and you getting minimum 20% interested, then after 4 to 5 years your money is double. Can you imagine rich doing that? Think that's why rich growing richer and poor still poor. Rich only buy or invest those things is necessary or giving more profit, not buy for only show up, not matter How much you earn matters for growing rich. How much you save and how much you invest properly, and your that quality make you rich. In future and that time you're doing everything those your dreams without any financial problems. You can study the world third richest man Warren Buffett biography and his lifestyle for learning some valuable things. Number 9. Poor people always try to blame others. Government, economy, boss, friends, see always obstacles, but rich people always looking and find opportunity and use those opportunity timely and properly. Number 10. Poor people use credit cards or take loans for useless things. One of the main difference between poor and rich. Rich people follow the one simple rule: those things help you generate more money than you use credit cards or take loans, but if not generate any money, then don't use credit cards or take loans for buying iPhone, don't for buying Lear TV, don't for buying costly branded items, don't. If you want to really become rich, you can also study Robert Kiyosaki book Rich Dad Poor Dad for understanding more what rich people do but poor people don't. Number 11. Poor people think money is the root of all evil, but rich people think poverty is the root of all evil. Lack of money reason for crime, drug problems. Money is tool you used a good way or bad way depend on all up to you. Number 12. Rich people make their money work for them, while poor people work for their money. Rich people like to save money and invest money properly. After some time money start to work for them. But poor people not save money and invest money properly, only spend money for doing or buy expensive items, those things no need actually, and for that poor people work for money. Still, end of life money not work for poor people. Number 13. Rich people know very well about money management. They're always making budget, but poor people not having any budget, and that's why they are not saving sufficient money and still poor end of the month. Number 14. Rich like to study and follow those are already rich and successful. They are life and advices and use those things in their life and work and become growing to success day by day, rich to growing richer, but poor think they already know everything, and that's why they're missing lots of valuable life-changing idea and advice and still poor. Number 15. Rich give more values or important of their results, not money. They know very well when input is good then output comes automatically good. They know very well when results is good then money is automatically comes. Facebook CEO Mark Zuckerberg making Facebook its result. Microsoft company founder Bill Gates making software Windows its result. They're not thinking about money, money is automatically comes. Now they're one of the richest people in the world. They build idea and result, and now that idea and result work for them and making money every second even they're sleeping. That's the rich people thinking power, but poor people not thinking like that. Poor people work for money not result, and that's why money not working for poor people. Poor people working for money for still end of the life. Number 16. Poor people spend their money first and then if possible so save some money sometimes, but rich people first save their money and invest also after that they spend their money. Rich people not use their principal money, they try to use their interest money for buying or doing anything, and that's the one very biggest thing. Rich growing richer day by day and poor still poor. Thank you for giving your support. Take care, see you soon.